Hey guys, I'm in the process of pre-washing my spring twists, and pre-washing the hair is, advisable because one, it gets rid of any chemicals that might be lingering on the hair, and that will in turn help to, minimize itching, which is a common thing that people experience when you wear especially synthetic braiding hair. So yeah, all I did was I overnight soaked the hair in this Cream of Nature apple cider vinegar clarifying rinse, and that's it. I'm not even gonna add conditioner. It has an awesome smell because of the argan oil. Argan oil is one of the best smelling oils ever, so it is left with a nice fragrance, and of course all of the impurities have been removed. So yeah, just pretty much going to squeeze out the excess water from the hair and hang it on a regular clothing hanger in front of a fan. You don't have to do the fan part if you're not in a rush. You can just allow it to drip dry until it fully dries. Yeah, just stopping in to show you guys. Bye. This is how it turned out. They're fully dried, and I'm pleased to realize that the hair is still intact. Nothing was compromised, still maintained its integrity, even though it's a loose soft twist. It did not get frizzy, or the twist didn't become undone as a result of washing it. So yeah, don't be afraid to wash your braiding hair prior to installation if you must, because it can definitely make your experience a more pleasant one, especially if your scalp is sensitive. All right, that's all I wanted to show you guys. So stick and stay for more tips from Candy's Hair Creations.